Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
How would you like to have your own AI send a direct message to the phones, tablets, and computers of 3 billion people, all with a single click of a button? Better yet, imagine if minutes from now you could have your very own messaging machine that got you a 98% open rate, reaching people in 180 countries, blasting your affiliate link to millions of people in seconds. Now imagine that this messaging machine writes the messages for you 24/7, using nothing else but ChatGPT. That's right, a social media autoresponder that works on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, TikTok, Reddit, and LinkedIn. This fully automated AI collects social media leads 24/7 for you, including people's phone numbers, then messages them using ChatGPT to close affiliate sales for you. It works in any niche, never stops to eat or sleep, is always online, and talks just like a real person. It even handles your social media presence in a way that looks 100% real. That's right, the AI can write posts and generate images for you. The AI can publish, schedule, reply to comments for you. The AI can message people for you. The AI can promote your affiliate link everywhere. You always hear the words "build your list" and "the money is in the list," and that's because when you have a list, you literally have access to push-button profits. Big marketers are cashing in thousands simply by sending one message. But email marketing is dying. It's expensive to send emails, expensive to build your list, and the worst of it all, nobody is reading their emails anymore. And with the recent Google and Yahoo DMARC updates, emails are not even being sent correctly, and they all end up in spam anyway. What are people doing instead? They're hooked to their phones. That's right, people are non-stop using their phones, messaging through a bunch of social media apps and away from their email inboxes. The bottom line is this: it's hard to build an email list, and even harder to convert it into sales. So, what's the fix that gets you all the benefits of an autoresponder, while letting you tap into even better conversations than email, virtually unlimited leads, and instant traffic? The first ever faceless autoresponder for all your social media, hooked up to ChatGPT and lets you close unlimited affiliate sales right inside Meta apps 24/7. And it's even DMARC approved. Introducing ProfitSoci. Facebook has 3 billion plus users, and they check their Facebook an average of 30 times a day. That's insane. Want to hear about Instagram? If we divide the time spent on Instagram by the entire population of Earth with internet access, the average is more than 1 hour spent a day on Instagram. Over 400 million stories posted every day. And if we add TikTok, Reddit, LinkedIn, Twitter, and WhatsApp, that covers 40% of the entire world population. And get this, AI-generated influencers are paid an average of $10,000 every month. What if you could create unlimited faceless influencers that are 100% AI-generated, get paid up to $1,000 for influencer posts, and reach people's DMs with 99% open rates, all automated 24/7 with ChatGPT? ProfitSoci is a brand new software that automatically finds targeted leads in any niche, adds them as a contact on various social media platforms, then sends unlimited messages with your affiliate link. The texts are written using ChatGPT and it talks just like a regular person. It works for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, WhatsApp, even Reddit and LinkedIn. When people check your social media profiles, they look 100% authentic, with actual pictures, posts, and videos. Except none of it is real, and it's all created and posted 24/7 by ChatGPT. We give you our own dedicated SMTPs, sending servers, and IP pools, so you can send out millions of messages at once at zero cost. Plus, the software talks with the leads to collect their emails and phone numbers you can then use as well to email or text. It's all built in. It then sends affiliate offers that are relevant based on your leads' interests and what they talk with the chatbot about, like a regular conversation, while collecting passive commissions for you. It's like email marketing on steroids, but with no list building needed and virtually 100% open rates. Best part, it works even for brand new social media accounts with 0 friends or followers. And new for 2024, you can even create short AI videos for TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram Reels. There are a few moments in our lives where we're faced with a huge opportunity that can truly change who we are. This is one of those moments. Imagine if you could set up a full social media presence on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube for a fitness instructor complete with pics from the gym, meal plans, and 5-mile runs. Then message millions of fitness enthusiasts with affiliate offers to supplements, training plans, and gym membership subscriptions. This is the power that ProfitSoci brings to you today. We are stepping into a new era of social media marketing. This is your chance to unlock targeted traffic like never before and convert it into sales like never before. Welcome to ProfitSoci.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.